Hi, I'm Andrew Hoffman. I'm your English teacher for this online English 205. Welcome to this semester. First thing I'd like to ask everybody to do is to go on to Canvas and read the syllabus, which will be found under the syllabus heading. It's very important that you do that because it has all kinds of information about the class, the expectations, the assignments, the grading, etc., etc. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. There is contact information on the syllabus in terms of a district email account and even a district phone, which has voicemail, and I can retrieve that. But probably the best way to contact me in this course is through the inbox that's available here on Canvas. We're going to be doing 4 major papers this semester, but first, our opening module is an introductory module. And I'm going to start with a discussion thread. Now, it's very important you understand. In a regular classroom, teachers take attendance every day. And when students stop attending, they get dropped. In an online environment, participation is important. Okay? So the discussion threads are one of the primary ways that we have interaction between teacher and students and other students. There will be other forms of interaction as we go, including peer editing. But we're going to start with the first discussion thread, and I'd like you to get on that as soon as possible. There will be instructions when you get to that. Also, I do want to direct your attention to a handouts module that has a number of key handouts. You should go to those also as early in the semester as you can, today or soon after, because those handouts are the kind of thing that will help you, I believe, all semester long. I will have a separate video in the handouts module to discuss each of the handouts in greater detail. Well, I'm looking very forward to this semester. Hope everybody does super well. I'm going to try to do everything I can to make that happen. I hope that you can also do what you can for yourself to make that happen as well. Thank you very much. Be hearing from me soon.